Everybody sleeps and most people need to wake up at a certain time. So today we are going to take a look at the door alarm clock by Luton.
In the box, the clock, power cord, AC adapter and user manual. On the face of the clock are two alarm buttons. On the top are the plus and minus buttons to adjust the time and alarm function, as well as a snooze button. On the left side is the volume adjustment wheel, and on the right is the dimmer wheel. On the back is the number color set button, the alarm 2 set button, the alarm 1 set button and the time set button. A USB charger port and the power cable input here is the backup battery compartment, and on the bottom are two anti-skid feet. To use the clock, plugging the power cord into the clock. Plug the cord into an AC adapter and into an outlet. The clock takes batteries in case of a power failure. Remove the battery door, insert 3 AAA batteries, not included, and put the door back on. Once installed, if the power were to go out, the alarm in memory will still be active, but the screen won't light up to set the time. You can press any button to awaken the screen. Press and hold time set for 2 seconds. The hour section will flash. Press the minus or plus button to set the hour. One press will adjust 1 digit. Hold down the plus or minus button to advance either way, at a faster rate. Now press the time set button once, to go to the minute setting and adjust. As for above, press the time set button once finished to save and exit the setting. To change from 12-hour to 24-hour mode, press the time set button once. To set the volume level, first, setting a nearest alarm time. When it is ringing, rotate the volume wheel on the left, up or down to your preferred alarm level. Use the dimmer wheel on the right to change the intensity of the light. There are 2 sets of alarms. Press alarm 1 set for 2 seconds to enter the alarm setting mode. 1 setting, press the plus or minus buttons to adjust the hour. Press alarm 1 set again to enter the minute setting mode. Press the plus or minus button to adjust. Then press the alarm 1 set button to confirm your choice and finish setting. Use the same procedure above to set the alarm 2 function. To preview an alarm, press the alarm 1 or alarm 2 set button 1 time in the alarm preview state. Press any other button to exit. After the alarm was turned on, the alarm will go off when it reaches the alarm time. The frequency of the beeps will gradually increase. You can press snooze. Adjust the volume of the alarms or exit the alarm.
Press the snooze button to enter the snooze state.
It will last for 9 minutes. Then the alarm will sound again. You can press snooze maximum of 15 times to adjust the amount of snooze.